Jai Hind दोस्तों, I am advocate Shivashish Kandani. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic that originally the due date of issuance of demand order under section 73 for financial year 2017-18 was getting expired on 6th February 2023. How I computed this date is that originally the due date of annual return was 7th February 2020 for financial year 17-18. Now, section 7310 specifically says that the demand order under section 73 has to be issued within a period of 3 years from the due date of annual return. Now, this date falls on 6th February 2023. However, before the closure of this due date, the government extended the time limit for issuance of the demand order under Section 73 by virtue of Section 168A of the GST law. The government issued the notification under Section 168A of the GST law stating that due to force majeure, we are extending the time limit for completion of action, that is issuance of the demand order under Section 73 till 30th September 2023, and finally this was extended till 31st December 2023. Now the petitioner in this particular case approached the Kerala High Court stating that, my lords, this particular extension of time limit is not valid in the sense that the due date of issuance of demand order has already been expired on 6th February 2023, and in this particular case the demand order has been issued post the completion of that particular due date of issuance of the demand order. The court stated that the date for issuance of the demand order has already been extended by virtue of section 168A. The government has extended this time limit finally till 31st December 2023, and accordingly we consider that this time limit has been extended on account of the COVID, which is itself a force majeure, because this is the act of nature and this is beyond the control of any human, and accordingly we consider this to be an act of force majeure, and thus the extension of the time limit by the government originally from 6th February 2023 till 31st December 2023 for issuance of the demand order under section 73 of the GST law is very well valid. For more such updates, follow me.